Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, short video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sublimate on a cotton t-shirt, or a different way to sublimate images on a cotton t-shirt. I know most videos show you how you can use printable vinyl, or a vinyl you can sublimate on, or even sublimating on glitter. But today I'm going to show you a different heat transfer vinyl that you can sublimate on. It's called Soft Foam and it's by Stahl's. I've already cut it out. I cut out an 8x11. I just cut out, you can cut it out to the shape of your image if you want. I just wanted this to be a quick video just to kind of give you some ideas. So I went ahead and I cut out an 8x11 piece, and basically the Stahl's soft foam is basically like a craft foam, if you've ever seen those craft foam sheets, but a little bit thinner, and it gives a nice texture to your garments when you put it on, and you can also sublimate on it. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. I just got a simple image. I already printed out my image on my Sawgrass SG-1000. So everything's all set and ready to go. I'm using my pink press today, and I'm going to sublimate. The t-shirt I'm going to be using is a Bella Canvas t-shirt. I just got this from Michael's, but you can get this online too. Bella Canvas cotton t-shirt, no polyester. So let's get started. If you're not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications for every time that I do a new video. So we're going to be using my pink press today. It is a 9x12, so it fits perfectly if you're trying to do an 8x11. The only thing is, as you can see, it's 12 wide and not 12 diagonal or vertical. So you would have to put your shirt this way with the neckline going in the horizontal direction. And I actually didn't use my Cricut to cut out the craft foam. I didn't want to fiddle with it. It was just faster for me to use my my rotary cutter. But you know, ideally you want to use a Cricut so you can make sure you have the straight lines. But I just used my rotary cutter. I just wanted this to be a quick, simple video just to give you guys some ideas. If you guys want a more in-depth video, let me know in the comments below, and I can do another video on how to sublimate on the soft foam. So now what I like to do, because this is such a small heat press, what I like to do is I like to figure out where on the shirt I'm going to put my image and then heat tape it to my t-shirts. I have everything on the heat press, and I'm going to take a cover sheet and we're just going to tack this down, and then we're going to go ahead and sublimate the image. So I'll tack it down for a few seconds and then we will sublimate our image. This is a cool peel, so we're going to let it cool down a little bit before we sublimate onto it. Okay, so I have the masking pulled off now, so we are going to go ahead and sublimate our image. I'm going to trim it down first so that I have an easier time lining everything up. The image is smaller than my square, and that was so that I didn't have any of the ink bleed out onto the cotton. So I made it a little bit smaller on purpose. You could make it the same size, but I just didn't want any bleed out to ruin the shirt, just in case. If you're wondering, I got this graphic on Etsy. I will link it down below so that you can purchase it as well. For those of you that are interested in my heat press, I will also link that in the description box. along with the sublimation paper that I use and the Sawgrass sublimation printer that I use. Okay. Just gonna make sure this is the right way. So my heat press is at 400 degrees, and I'm going to sublimate this for 30 seconds at 400 degrees. Probably had my pressure on a little too high because I got little lines from the image, but other than that, this is how it came out. Now the colors are not quite as vibrant as if you were to put it straight on a polyester t-shirt. The colors would have popped just a little bit more, but you know, this is actually a 90s design, so the little bit of fading of the colors actually works out a little bit. And there is the finished product. Okay, so this is the finished product. And like I said, I will link the image that I got down in the comments below. So this was a quick and easy project, just an idea to give you guys to sublimate onto cotton. And then, like I said, this soft foam, it has a texture to it that's really nice, so it kind of makes your image pop out. So it's a nice alternative to glitter. I know that a lot of people sublimate onto glitter. This is a nice alternative to having to use glitter all the time. So that was it for this video. Like I said, if you are interested in a more in-depth tutorial, make sure you comment down below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications for every time I do a new video. I am shooting for at least once a week. Last few weeks it's been twice, but shooting for at least once a week. So if you are interested in sublimation, Cricut crafts, sewing, make sure that you hit subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.